PBSLearningMedia.org offers a variety of helpful tools for literature students, including condensed videos relating to the content, as you can see here, as well as images that enhance the literature we read, audio files that explore the life and works of classic authors, and interactive lessons that help guide students along the more complex works. So if we click on interactive lessons, we see that one of them is titled Supernatural Elements in Macbeth, so I'll just use this to explain how this works. So we click Launch, and it kind of outlines the lesson, what it's going to entail, and it also recommends having a copy of the full text or play on hand as they complete the lesson, which is nice. So right here it establishes goals for the students, basically saying like they're going to watch 2 videos, and these are the kind of what they're expected to do. They're supposed to analyze and explore the impact, meaning of supernatural elements in another scene. Over here we see that they have listed vocabulary that the students will encounter in both the text as well as like formal vocabulary they should know that will help them, like meter and couplet. And then over here we see the reading and writing strategies that they've outlined that they'll need to complete this, and this is what they'll be doing to complete the lesson. So here we see the video that they talked about, and down here we can see that these are the guiding questions that they'll need to answer in relation to the video right here in this text box. They type it up. When they're done, they hit save. Move on to the next slide. So right here we see that there are yet again more questions that the students should be asking themselves as they read, and also there's a highlighting activity that they're expected to do. So highlight it. So right here they're supposed to highlight words that indicate that witches are supernatural and are different from the other characters in the play. So they hit this little highlighter up here and they highlight what it is, if they think that's what it is. They do this for everything. Once they think they've completed it, they'll hit submit or clear if they want to start over because they don't think they got it right. And then on the next page, they can like check their reading comprehension through like a matching activity. This on slide 6 offers a chart where they're encouraged to go find a quotation in the text that follows the technique they learned, and then an explanation on why they chose that text. And they're able to do this multiple times so they get good practice in. On slide 7, it's a character study, so they watch another video, they answer more questions, type it again down here in the box, hit save, move on. Here they are encouraged to organize their work so that they can write this 1 to 2 page paper, which is kind of the end goal of this entire assignment, a way for them to demonstrate what they've learned. And then right here we can see the final writing assignment, and then they outline what the students did during the lesson.